Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're aboard the brand new Boston Whaler 2025 420 Outrage. This masterful boat, absolutely pristine model of the lineup, and their 100% largest boat they make. So let's take a look here at the back. First, we have these triple 600 horsepower Mercury outboard motors. Dual speed transmissions, 200-hour service. You don't get better on this platform. Absolutely fantastic. Full beam platform side to side, great entry walkthrough, and then a perfect 3-person or 4-person bench seat that kaleidoscopes up to create a perfect fishing platform rack here. Summer kitchen, one option on this module. You have 2 refrigerator freezers, power touch buttons for your fish boxes, port and starboard, and your shade that goes all the way to the back of the boat. This console actually transforms to create a forward-facing bench seat, again capable of 3 to 4 people, with the comfort of air conditioning right behind the helm chairs. Up top, we have storage for all your enclosures, and then a full beam hardtop designed with an integrated ladder that you can create with a second station option. Here we have Jack at the helm, commanding this beautiful boat. Joystick piloting at the helm, the teak inlay, triple 16-inch screens across, everything, your gauges, switches, everything done electronically, and then cockpit and helm air conditioning. JL Audio surround sound throughout the boat, incredible stereo system. This boat just kicks. Let's take a step up to the front. This is the lounging and really entertainment area of the 420 Outrage. We have fold-up seating here, designed to be a forward bench seat, insulated cooler underneath, easily transition back down. Beautiful lounge here with the gray interior, recliner seats, additional storage under all the seats, and then your hidden anchor windlass. With a push of a button, this sunbed transforms to another teak top table in the bow of the boat for another wraparound seating configuration. Let's take a look down at the cabin. If you notice as I'm walking here, we got plenty of width and space, as well as freeboard. So there's padding along the entire surround of the boat. Notice how quiet those four motors are running. So here we have the Corian countertop. This is one of 3 configurations down in the cabin. Beautiful appointments for a weekender, overnighter, or even longer than that. This boat is designed for any blue water. Beautiful head here as well. You have a rainfall shower. I can easily stand up. I'm 5'9". Just a great arrangement by Boston Whaler. Take a step back up to the cockpit. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 42 Outrage. For more information, call us at MarineMax.com.